Hello friends, how are you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to learn how to fix Windows 11 update issues with Update Troubleshooter. So, if you are experiencing trouble upgrading to Windows 11 version 24S2, using the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter can help you resolve the problem. The tool is designed to detect and fix common update issues, thereby ensuring a smooth upgrade process. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your Windows computer. And then you have to click on the System option from the left sidebar. This will open a list of system-related options. On the right side of the System page, you have to scroll down a bit and click on the Troubleshoot option. This section contains a variety of troubleshooting tools for different system features. And then you have to select the other troubleshooters to see a list of available troubleshooting tools. And in the other troubleshooter section, you have to locate the Windows Update Troubleshooter. And then you have to click on the Run button next to it to start the whole process. Now, if the Windows Troubleshooter finds any issues, it may suggest applying a fix. In this case, you just have to click on Apply this fix to resolve the problem. Keep in mind that this option will only appear if additional fixes are necessary. And then you have to continue with any on-screen directions provided by the troubleshooter to complete the process. And when finished, you have to click on the Close option. Once the process is complete, you'll have to restart your computer. This step is crucial to ensure that changes are applied perfectly, and that's pretty much it. After completing these steps, you should be able to retry and update to Windows 11 24S2 without any further issues. The troubleshooter should have fixed any underlying problems and thereby allowing for a smoother installation process. Now feel free to share your feedback, and I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.